welcome students of class 12 commerce in our accountancy syllabus for class 12th. Today my topic is to find out the difference between preference shares and equity shares. It is chapter 7, share capital. Dear students, before discussing the difference of preference shares and equity shares, let us revise the definition and meaning of a share. What a share means. A share is that fractional part of the total share capital which forms the basis of ownership interest in a company. A share in a company is not a mere sum of money but an interest constituting diverse rights conferred on its holders through a contract between him and the company. According to Section 284 of the Companies Act 2013, a share means a share capital of a company and includes stock. Hence, a share represents a bundle of rights and liabilities besides constituting a sum of money. In India, shares are goods, trade articles of a company which are transferable as provided by the articles of the company. Dear students, now let us see the difference of preference shares and equity shares. Preference shareholders are paid dividend at a fixed rate, whereas equity shares, the rate of dividend on equity share are vary from year to year and depending upon the availability of profits. And the second difference of it is that if dividend is not paid on preference shares in any year, the arrears of dividend may accumulate, whereas in case of equity shares no such arrears of dividend are possible. Preference shares can be redeemed as provided by the articles and terms of issue. Equity shares cannot be redeemed except under a scheme involving reduction of capital. These shares have a preferential rights to receive dividend before any dividend is paid on equity shares, whereas in equity shares payment of dividend of equity shares is made only after paying to preference shares. Preference shareholders have a preferential right to receive capital in the event of winding up before anything is returned to equity shareholders. Equity share capital is paid only after full payment is made to preference shares. Preference shareholders do not have any voting rights except when their interest is directly affected. Equity shareholders enjoy voting rights. This is a big difference between the two. Preference shareholders do not have the right to participate in management of the company, whereas equity shareholders have full right to participate in the management of the company. This is also a big difference between the two. Preference shares help to the owners to derive the benefit of trading on equity. Under equity shares, availability of only equity share capital in the total capital of a concern involves high degree of risk and an element of uncertainty. And in preference shares, a company with only preference shares cannot be formed, whereas a company may be formed with only equity shares. Dear students, this all was about the difference which we find out between the two preference shares and equity shares. And inshallah tomorrow I will be back with the next topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.